Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. I'm so glad you're here. We already have the preview, the insert preview for April 5th, which is the Sunday coming up. Thanks to bargainsfnj, that's her Instagram account. She was able to provide them so I could see how they look like and I could share them with you guys. But also keep in mind that every coupon do vary by region. So there's some that we may see here and we might not get, or it could be the other way around, which it has happened to me. So as you see, we're expecting one smart source and two retail me not. This is the retail me not, and which is mostly beauty, and this one is also retail me not, but it's also considered as the new Unilever insert. So let's go ahead and check those out. Some of the ones that I'm excited about is Garnier, L'Oreal, Maybelline, Dove, and Eucerin. So let's go ahead and start with the Unilever Retail Me Now. This one is a pretty small insert, and you will see right in the way in the cover. At least there's some many great coupons here. They have Splenda. I have not tried this one, but I'm excited. I love coffee creamer. And then they have the Splenda right on top. The next page we have Nexium, and guys, this is exciting to see. It wasn't exciting months ago, but now it is to see that there's coupons, $1 off one, I believe it is, and hopefully there's some deals coming up for that. Then we have Lipton. This all includes for the tea bags, and right underneath we have mayonnaise and another product underneath. I don't know which one that one is, or that the brand that it is. Then we have Dove. There's 3 different coupons here for Dove. I'm excited because I believe there's a deal coming up for Dove body wash, and so there's other coupons there for Dove. So hopefully we all get this coupon. And then on the other page we see degree coupons, and the last page for this insert we see gray away. So now let's go ahead and look into Smart Source. This is Smart Source also for April 5th, and right on the cover we have the Morton Coarse Himalayan pink salt. I have tried that salt and it's pretty good. I'm excited that there's a coupon right on the front cover, and then right inside we already see Jergens. We see a coupon for that, and other Revlon hair care products or hair color coupons right underneath. The next page we have Ensure. I believe there's a deal coming up. You do see it here, buy 3 get 7. I'm just going to go ahead and check it out because I'm already working on that CVS ad. I'm excited that we already got it a little early. Moving on, we have a copper tone, and I'm excited for these two because, as you know, this summer is coming, and I'm excited to see that there is coupon already. We're starting to see them early on, and hopefully we get to see new deals for them. And right underneath we have Aqua for coupons. The next page we have coupons for Crunch. So there's different ones. There's for 50 cents off 2. These are for the single, and then they have for the size, the fun size or minis. Next page we have interesting coupon up here, and then we have International Delight. I love this coffee creamer, and I believe these are half and half heavy cream. I'm excited because I like to purchase these items and it's rare for me to see coupons, so I hope I get that coupon. The next page we have Jergens, $1.50, and another coupon right underneath. And this is exciting, as we usually see these especially for Easter as well, coupons where you're able to get a discount on Carbell products. Next page we have another coupon for Revlon for color products. This is a total color product. And the next page we have Ocean Spray and more coupons for Carbell. So that was everything that we already have gone really quickly between the first 2 Sunday inserts. You was able to see the Smart Source and the Unilever, which was a pretty small book. So now let's go into the Retail Me Not, which is the beauty picks. I'm excited. It says there's going to be $64 in savings, and right away we get to see that Maybelline, there's a Maybelline coupon there. Check your CVS app because there was also a Maybelline coupon there, and it says for any Maybelline. So go ahead and send that to your card because you never know, you might be able to use that in a separate deal. So we have on the front cover Maybelline. The next page we have L'Oreal. This is all hair care, but mostly all color treated hair. So there's coupons there, and just on this page alone we have 9 off. So then we continue on inside that Retail Me Now coupon, the coupon book, and we have Angel Soft, and right underneath we have Country Crock, $1 off one. Hopefully I see a great deal. I usually buy these at Publix, so hopefully we have a deal. And it says a maximum of 2 identical coupons in the same shopping trip. Then we have this coupon here. It says Pataday Eye Allergy Itch Relief, and it's a $5. That's a pretty high value coupon. Then we have Fancy Feast. Moving on with the next page, we have Eucerin, which is the coupons that we normally see, at least those value Omaha steaks. And now we get to see more Red Blanc coupons. Here we have a $5. I believe it's a $5 off 2, and then we have a $2. I'm excited for these, and I know there's deals. We have been seeing a lot of deals back to back for L'Oreal skincare. So I'm excited to see we're able to get some good CRTs this week, or maybe the following week, since we're just getting these coupons this Sunday. Then we have an interesting coupon. It looks like it's a buy one get one, and it tells you the max value for Beggins Purina treats. My puppy loves some treats, so I'm excited for that coupon. This one, there's so many great deals happening for whole blends that at least I saw really quickly on the CVS ad. So this one is whole blends, $4 off 2, and then right next to it there's the Ultra Color and the Color Reviver coupons as well. So this time Garnier is not holding back. Just on this page alone you're saving up to $10. Then the next page we have save $1 off 2 Kellogg's, and then it lets you know which ones are included for this coupon. Then once again we have more L'Oreal coupons, really nicely the way they're shown here, and it says you're gonna save up to $8. So we have many great coupons coming, but this one is 3 off 2 Lip Cosmetics. The next page, this one I'm excited about too, because there's a deal coming. As you know, we will usually see deals for L'Oreal hair care. So this one is 4 off 2. And then on the next page we have Maybelline. This is $2. These should be for face product, which I'm excited that we have more than just one Maybelline. And talking about Maybelline, we have another one right next to it, which is for the mascara. Sometimes this coupon really makes a great deal because this one is 3 off for mascara. I remember going through the ad for CVS. Maybelline is not going to offer any ECBs. It's just going to be buy one get one 50% off. So I think I might hold on to these maybe for the following ad. Yes, more Garnier coupons. Yes, I'm excited that they're not holding back. On this page we're saving another $9. This is for the Fructis hair care. This is for the skincare. So there's 2 different coupons for skincare. And then this is the last page, which is interesting. I don't know if I've seen this, if this is new. This is Amazing Onyx. This is interesting here. So this is the last coupon you will see at the end of that Retail Me Not book. So guys, this is the offer, and this is her page, that her account, bargainsfnj. I'm just giving her a shout out because she was able to provide it, so that way we're able to see it pretty on early, and these coupons are going to be so helpful for me to actually start putting those CVS ad deals. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you're having a much sweeter week. Hopefully you're staying safe. Remember, I'm just providing this information so you know what is coming. The good thing is that when it comes to coupons, at least I haven't been able to go out much, but my inserts get mailed to me, so at least I'm not missing out on some great coupons. So if there's any of these printables available, I'm going to provide them below this video. Remember, any shopping list, I'm going to provide those in the best deal video. So guys, thank you so much for watching, giving me some of your time, and until the next video. Bye.